Okay, New York session done. Took two trades, took one on gold. Gold, hard time frame breakout levels, all bullish. Peak bias, both bullish as well. Last week closed as a bullish breakout week. We're above that weekly breakout level, and we're also above the daily breakout level. So we have two time frame alignment on the hard time frames, and all hard time frames are bullish. I'm looking for low of the day or low of the session buys to continue this hard time frame trend. So yesterday was an inside day. The day before was a bearish breakout day. Here's the breakout level. We had a breakout, and then we flipped that breakout level. I took this trade on Tuesday, take it up, and then we flipped that breakout level, and then yesterday we got above the previous day high. So in terms of a cycle here, we have a bearish breakout, and then we flip that breakout level, and then we get above that previous high. This is a trend reversal. It reverses that existing trend. So we have a existing trend that was coming down, a very small one, but it is going down, and then we flip the breakout level. Flips of breakout levels only happen at possible swing points, and I'm always looking to trade away from these peak formations, and then we get above this previous high, which starts a new trend, reverses that existing trend, and starts a new one. So yesterday's session was actually a little bit tricky. There was news at 8:30, I think it was 8:30, and then this news actually blew up a lot of the setups I was looking at. And so I thought I wouldn't have a trade, but luckily for me, gold came back down, faked out the H8 low above the previous day high. And once price got above that H8 breakout level and stayed above the daily breakout level, I was wanting to take this market up. So this M15 momentum bar is when I was interested, this yellow one right here. It flipped that last bearish breakout level, and I always need two time frame alignment when I'm trading. The last bearish H1 breakout level is right here. This M15 momentum bar didn't get above, but I waited until price broke that H1 breakout level. One bar stop, New York, I trade more aggressively. I took this. Target was previous week high, but in the end, I ended up taking it at the high of the day. So about 2.5 hours on this move, and that was it on gold. Trend reversal, getting up to the high of the day. And then I also took one on oil. Oil, higher time frame breakout levels, all bullish. Peak bias, all bullish as well. Last week closed bullish breakout week. We're above the breakout level. And then yesterday we broke out of the previous week high. So yesterday was a inside day. And before that was a bullish breakout day. This is a range setup for me. Here's my range setups. We have a bullish breakout day followed by an inside day. What I'm looking for on these days is a fake out of the previous day low and the H8 low above that breakout level. So we did get that. We had a fake out of the previous day low and the H8 low, but we were not above the breakout level. So I could not take this one. I waited until price got above. 9 o'clock is when I start looking for trades. However, on this particular market, 9 o'clock is the start of the H8 bar, but on this particular market, the H8 bar actually starts at 10. So did not take this move. This is actually not the best setup for me. So I did wait until um, the H8 bar at 10, and the H8 bar, when it opened up, closed in breakout, and we were right above the previous day high, and we were in between that high of the range. So whenever there's an inside bar, I always extend the previous bar's highs and lows. And so we were stuck between that range. So if I don't get that first setup on the breakout inside day range setup, next thing I'm looking for is consolidation between those two levels above the previous day high and below that outer range. Looking for consolidation and then a breakout of the previous H8 high above the previous day high. So that's exactly what happened yesterday. We have a we're above the previous day high, and I was waiting for a breakout of this previous H8 high, and we do have a little bit of consolidation here. Don't need too much. This is just enough, a little bit of a pullback, and then I ended up taking this M15 momentum bar straight away on this candle and holding it up. So oil was a little bit tricky. Past couple of days, I've been looking at it. Was kind of scared of this range over here, but we got above that range, and so now I'm holding this I always like how oil moves. Once in a while, it'll make these huge pushes, and so I'm decided I'm going to be holding onto this and see where it goes. It's been kind of stuck in this range for quite a long time, and took I think I took one somewhere around here, maybe this one right here, fake out of the range low to take it up, and I was sort of expecting oil to start a new trend. We got out of this really long consolidation here, and I'm hoping that oil will start moving like it usually does again. So usually there'll be some consolidation, and then it'll start really pushing. And so I've decided I'm going to be holding onto this. So let's see where this one goes, especially since we just broke out of this month range. Inside bar, the monthly, and then whenever there's an inside bar, extend the previous bar's highs and lows. This becomes a range, and we've just broken out of it. There's no guarantee that it stays broken out. Still 15 days for me to know if it will, but yeah, I'm just gonna hold on to this, see where it goes. So this is gonna be a swing trade for me, and that's it. Okay, Asia session now. Got the Asia scanner all set up. A few setups here, but I don't think these are really that interesting to me. Aussie CAD. Okay, anyways, I'll do this one later. Um, Nikkei. Yeah, okay, I'll do this on in my Asia video, but that's it. So one trade on gold. What was that? 2.5 hour, and then one on oil. This one I'm going to swing trade. Yeah, and that's it.